Hi, good day. Adelamidi from viewfunnels.com. In today's video, I just wanted to go over the Kartra pricing so that you can have a good understanding of the various plans that come with the Kartra all-in-one marketing system. So let's get right into it. So I'm here in the Kartra plans pages, and as you can see, we have either a monthly plan, or you can go for the annual plan, or one of the annual plans where you can save up to 25% discount. I started off basically on a monthly plan, but when I looked at the discount that you can get with a annual plan, I decided to switch. So with that said, let's get right into it. So you've got 4 different plans that you can go through, that you can choose from. You've got the starter plan, silver plan, gold plan, and platinum plan. So with the starter plan, you can upload up to 2,500 leads to the all-in-one marketing system. You can have 1 custom domain, which I highly suggest. You can send up to 15,000 emails per month. You are allowed 50 gigabyte bandwidth, so that will help you when you're hosting your own videos and that sort of thing. You can host up to 100 pages. You can host 50 videos. You can sell up to 20 products. You can build 2 membership sites and add 1 additional member, team member to that plan, and you can also connect 1 help desk. No agency features are included with that package. It's $1 for 14 days, and after that it's $99 per month. And if you decide to go with the annual billing, you can save $240. And all you need to do is just do this start trial, and yeah, you'll be able to get started right away. So the next plan is the silver plan. Slightly different from the starter plan. You can upload up to 12,500 leads. You can integrate 3 custom domains, and the beauty about this plan is you get unlimited emails, unlimited bandwidth, unlimited pages, unlimited videos, unlimited products, and unlimited membership sites, and unlimited team members, unlimited help desks, and the Kartra agency is included with that. For that, you can start this for 14 days on a 14-day trial, and after that it's $199 per month. And if you go for the annual billing, you'll be saving $600. And this is the package that I'm on at the moment. And the next plan is the gold plan, and for this plan you can upload up to 25,000 leads, 5 custom domains. Again, as with the silver package, you get unlimited emails, bandwidth, pages, videos, products, membership sites, team members, and help desk. And again, it's $1 for the 14-day trial and $299 per month. And if you decide to go with the annual billing, you save $840. And the last package is the platinum, where you can upload up to 50,000 leads, and you get 10 custom domains, unlimited emails, unlimited bandwidth, unlimited pages like the other 2 plans, videos, products, membership sites, team members, help desk. It's $1 for 14 days and $499 per month after those 14 days. Or you can go for an annual billing, which will save you $1,440. So what exactly do you get as part of these plans? You get the Kartra checkout, so you can sell your own products through the Kartra all-in-one marketing system or services if you have one, and you can integrate it with the Kartra checkout forms to collect both credit card and PayPal details. You can also use the Kartra pages. So with the Kartra pages, you got all sorts of sales pages that you can upload. You got you got squeeze pages, you got blog pages, you got all sorts of pages. Let me just show you the pages that they have. So we go to pages and I do a create page, So as you can see, you got squeeze pages, video sales pages, thank you pages, product launch, product review pages that you can choose from, webinar registration pages if you're running webinars, checkout pages as well, upsell pages, membership login pages, live event pages if you run live events, affiliate pages, and you can always customize all of these pages to your own liking. You've got Lego pages as well, blog posts, blog homes, and if you are looking to do a personal branding, you can use one of these pages as well. So that's that. So that's what you get with the pages. Kartra leads, again, you can build your leads, prospects, and customer database within the Kartra system, and you can organize them as you wish. You got Kartra forms, and here you can basically use the lead capture facility to create your own, to capture details of your leads or your customers. You can grab their name and email, and you also have the opportunity to create your own custom fields, so you can capture maybe their address, their mobile number, and as much detail as you wish. And you also have the powerful tagging and automation rules, so that you can basically segment your leads based on whatever they do within your system or your customers as well. You've got Kartra funnels and campaigns, so you can set up your own custom funnels, or you can make use of the done for you funnels that come with the Kartra, with your Kartra all-in-one marketing system. And if I go back to Kartra, let's go to campaigns. As you can see, I've got all these campaigns set up already, but you've also got available campaigns. So you've got this prospect campaign, email course campaign. Let's say you've got an online course, you can drip feed that to your contacts via using this Kartra custom campaign. I'll just show you. Let's just view the assets. So you got 9 pages that you can use. You got 7 tags. You can host up to 5 videos, 1 list, 1 sequence, 1 product, and 1 form using that. And and all you need to do is deploy this campaign. You can deploy this campaign as many times as possible, based on your needs. So that's that. You've got a lead nurture campaign, extended membership campaign, daily deal campaign, 1-page campaign. This is a 4-day cash machine put together by Frank Kern, who was one of the marketing experts that was brought in whilst they started Kartra. So there's a lot here that you can choose from to get you started with the Kartra all-in-one marketing system. You've also got Kartra Mail. So like I said, you can say with some of the packages, especially from Silver, Gold, Platinum, you can more or less send unlimited emails through the Kartra marketing all-in-one marketing system. You've got membership sites, so if you've got courses, content that you want to drip feed to your maybe you've got students or whatsoever, you can use the Kartra membership feature in Kartra. If you're an affiliate marketer or you've got a product, you can manage your product through the Kartra affiliate management feature as well. They've got a Kartra marketplace, so you can sell your marketing funnels through this marketplace, or you can discover what other Kartra users have, and you can connect with them and use their funnels if you wish. Kartra video, so you can host your own videos within the Kartra system. Kartra help desk, you can basically offer help desk portal support, help desk support for your products, your services through the Kartra help desk feature. You got Kartra calendars, so if you are running an agency, and you want your clients to schedule calls, you can use the Kartra calendar feature. And the last one is Kartra agency. So if you run an agency and maybe you run so you got a lot of clients, you can organize their accounts through the Kartra agency system. And yes, that's it. You get a 30-day money back guarantee as well, and you've also got this frequently asked questions as well that you can check out. So that's it with the Kartra pricing video. I hope this gives you a detailed explanation of different plans, and perhaps if you want to do a monthly plan or annual plan, this should be able to show you how to go about making the choice. So that's it for this video. As always, I've put together some training as well. If you're looking to get involved in Kartra, just check out the link below and you should be able to sign up and check out the Kartra tutorials that I'm putting together as part of this tutorial series. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.